Okay guys, market is tanking right now. We are on micros on a Apex account, so we are trading micros. So for now it's better guys just to trade a micros account because it's it's less stressful. We're on a 4 minute chart. Okay, so if you're looking to trade a little bit, with less volatility, without that mumbo jumbo from the morning or whatever, you can increase the time frame. Okay, so right now we are looking at a 4 minute chart. You can do 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, half an hour chart. Okay, the signals is one per bar. So when you see a signal, if you put markers, to let's say for example, if you want to trade just one trade per bar. Okay, so let's say you are using a 5 minute chart, it will only trade a 5 minute chart if there is a signal there. So there's no need for you to do heavy scalping and all that. You can do, you can get bigger stops and bigger targets. Okay, so that way you can manage your trades better. Okay, so that's what I'm showcasing here. And as you can see, the risk is less. Okay, so you can win $100 if you're trying to pass a combine, okay, or whatever. You can do the 25k combines, okay, which are less target. You can do 2 micros. Okay, don't go that way, guys. Don't go that road of doing same day pass. Okay, that's gonna make you a gambler, and that's a very very tough situation to be in. So I would not recommend that. Just do it slowly. You can do $200 $500 a day. Okay, so it depends on the market. Okay, so and what you see, if the market is tanking or is like all morning went up, once the the moving average is going up in you can see the trend. Okay, and the footprint over here is telling you exactly how much volume there is. It's better to see the volume in bigger time frames. Okay, so that way you can make better decisions and wait a little bit if you have the time to manage monitor your market. Okay, that will be better. So as you can see, market is, after that big short, the market, there's a lot of spots that need to be filled again. So the market will always go in reverse. There it goes again. Okay guys, like I said before, you can do these are signals. Okay, you see the vertical lines here. This is short and this is short. We had two shorts here. Whatever you took, it was a winner. Okay, so like I said, you can go higher time frames, guys. You don't need to be scalping in a tick chart or 100 tick chart, or like let's say a range chart. A minute chart is more than enough. You don't need more. Okay, so that's what I wanted to showcase, guys, about the time frames. That if you want to trade a little bit slowly, you can trade micros. The signals are the same for minis or for micros. Okay, so okay guys, thanks for watching.